My name is Jenna and I'm a first-year science student at Memorial University, and this week is Alcohol Awareness Week. So in spirit of that, I'm going to be showing you how to make a quick and easy mocktail at home. So first, what you're going to do is take a glass with ice or no ice, it's personal preference, and then we're going to start with a beverage base. So you take 3/4 of a cup with any of your favorite drinks. I'm using sparkling water. You can use tonic water, anything like that, and you're just going to add that right into your glass, just like that. And then next what we're going to add is flavoring. So this can be fruit juices, coconut water, any type of teas. So I'm going to be using dyed cranberry, and I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup, just like that. And then we're going to add that into the glass. And then the final step of this is healthy enhancers. So this can be anything from herbs like rosemary and parsley, or this can be citrus peels, but you can also use fresh and frozen fruit. So I'm using raspberries and blueberries, and I'm adding a little bit extra, and we're just going to put that into the glass like that. And then we're just going to give it a stir. And that's a mocktail made at home.